Hello friends, welcome back to SheriTV. I'm thrilled to be unboxing my third GlobeIn subscription box today. I've absolutely loved my last two boxes. One was a pitcher and a few glasses. The next one was called the Melt Box. It was a fondue box. And today we are unboxing the Chill box. I do want to disclose that this is a gifted box and I am an affiliate for this program. So if you use my link to redeem the discount, I do get some credit for that. And we're very thankful to GlobeIn for this partnership. All of the information that you need about your discount is in the description below, and I'll go over it in more detail towards the end of this video. But we're going to get right into the box because I know you just want to see what's inside, and then I can explain things as we go. When I learned that I was getting another pitcher type box this month, I was really excited because the last picture that I got from GlobeIn is my favorite for sangria. So I'm hoping that this particular pitcher will become a partner to that one. But first I want to show you the gorgeous inside of the box. Just the box itself is so pretty with this teal kind of, I don't know even how you describe it, but it's just these gorgeous geometric shapes. I'm so tempted to turn the box inside out and do something with it. Here is a first look at the Chill box. You can see what is inside, and I know that we're going to have an iced tea pitcher, we're going to have two stemless wine glasses, a palm leaf bottle basket, like a wine bottle basket, and a printed napkin. The first item right on the top here is this beautiful printed napkin. I believe that this is from India. You can always find information about the artisans who made everything in your box when you receive this little card. So all of the artisans' names and countries of origin and their story is always on the card here, which is really cool. So let's open up this beautiful printed napkin. So pretty, you guys. I already know what I want to use this for. This is going to be, and I know this is kind of a silly use for it, it'll be great for putting on the table and putting under things, but I actually want to use this as like a liner for my bread basket. So here it is, so pretty. My home is decorated in this teal color, and I collect kind of this Caribbean blue kitchenware, so this is a very, very sweet addition to my kitchen. I'm thrilled about it. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's pull out this pretty basket. I believe that this is the palm leaf bottle basket. Ooh, that is gorgeous. And it looks like it comes in sort of two pieces. Now, I'm not sure that a wine bottle would fit in it where you could close it, but what you could do is put a wine bottle in it and then kind of just put this on top. But I actually think this is so cute for storage. Oh my gosh, I love this. I need to figure out how this thing works. I feel like I'm missing something with the way that the basket works. Oh, it goes on the outside. There we go. Just having a moment there, you guys. Let's pretend that didn't happen. All right. Here is how the basket closes. This is so, so cute. If you have this kind of decor in your house, you could put this in your bathroom, and I could see like little hand towels or washcloths folded nicely in it, kind of sticking out the top for guests. That'd be really, really cute. You could fill it with cotton balls and Q-tips for your guests. You could put it in your kitchen and put your dish towels in it. There are so many different uses, and of course it would make an excellent gift. Okay, I'm excited to get the glasses and the pitcher out. They must be next. All right, there's one. I bet you that is the glass, the stemless hand-blown wine glass, and this must be the pitcher. Okay, let me go ahead and move this box out of the way. We're getting a little crowded over here on the table. I do have my trusty little knife here, so we can gently open this. Let's go with the pitcher first in this month's Chill box. This is going to be so great. I have always loved that GlobeIn supports artisans around the world. They are amazing, and they also support fair wages and safe working conditions, which should be very important to you as a consumer. It certainly is to me. So I love that there is a focus on that. And honestly, I do love learning about the artisans every month, and I love reading my little card. So let's see where the pitcher is from. Let's see if we can figure this one out. Okay, the iced tea pitcher is from David Herrera in Mexico. David enjoys watching the Avengers movie. That's great, I love that. Oh, you guys, this is so much more beautiful than I envisioned. Look at this. It's iridescent. Check this out. What? Can you believe it? Can you see all the iridescent colors in this? It's huge too. Oh my goodness sakes. Okay, so now I feel like I have a white sangria pitcher and a red sangria pitcher because I've had one before. So here it is. I can just envision it. Can you see the colors in this? I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but when it catches the light, it has these gorgeous shades of like chartreuse and pink. And I bet when you put liquid in it, it's going to do the same thing. But this is just, wow. That is beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's see if our stemless wine glasses match it exactly or if they're a little bit different. And let's see who the stemless wine glasses are from. Okay, so the stemless hand-blown wine glasses are from Jesus Sandoval, also from Mexico. All right, here we go. Oh, it's different, you guys. It's got this little bumpy texture on it. And again, when it catches the light, it's got these pastel colors all over it. Wow, this is so beautiful. If you're anything like me, and I don't know, you probably aren't as clumsy as me, stemless wine glasses are definitely my preference because I break anything and everything glass, but this feels a little more sturdy. On the top, it sort of has a smooth texture, and then down here on the bottom, it literally has those beautiful detailed glass bumps on it. Wow, that quality is just unbelievable. And it feels so special. It feels like something, if you were on vacation in Mexico, you would want to make room in your suitcase for this. You'd be like, I will leave behind clothing to get this home. And it is another one, exactly the same. And this iridescence is just so beautiful. So that, my friends, is the chill box from GlobeIn. Now, if you are a monthly member of GlobeIn, you actually get to select your own box theme from the 1st to the 15th in the month. And sometimes you might have up to 10 to 15 choices of boxes that you can pick from. Now, let me tell you about the discount. I want to get this right, so I'm going to look at my notes for a moment. So you're going to use the discount code CruiseGear, which again, I will put in the description of this video. You're going to get 50% off the first box in a 3-month or longer subscription, and currently they are shipping to the USA and Canada. If you're already a member of GlobeIn, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me what your favorite box of all time has been. Thank you all so very much for watching our unboxing today, and until next time, go do something beautiful.